Welcome to 13990 Rancho Solana Trail, located just 2 miles from the beach in the guard-gated community of Rancho Pacifica. This custom home is truly extraordinary. Let's go have a look. This property was custom built by a master builder, 4x4 construction, one of San Diego's best craftsmen. No expense was spared when they went to build this property. What sets this home apart is its orientation to the west. You have giant ocean views. You sit up on this canyon. You get natural sunlight all day. It's absolutely the perfect situation.